So g'day people, how you going? Today's video, we're going to have a look at the word you beauty. Yeah mate, bloody oath. Basically, what this is just a shortening of beautiful. So, beautiful, I think that's how you spell it. My spelling's pretty crap as well. So, beautiful, and we shorten it to you beauty or you beauty. I don't think there is actually one standard way to actually bloody say you beauty, mate. Lots of different spellings for the one word, you beauty. And that's how we actually use it. So, if you've actually, I don't know, got a new phone, oh, love this phone, man, you beauty. Oh, so grouse. Bonza, mate. You use it when you're actually really exciting. So, your beauty is, just wherever you're excited. Oh, I ran over my enemy. You beauty. I'm just so excited. You beauty, mate. Oh, Australia's going to invade Papua New Guinea. You beauty. Yes. I'm an American. We're going to invade Iran. You beauty. So basically, that's how you use it. And you just use it where you say, oh, I'm excited. You don't say, I'm excited. You say, you beauty, mate. And that's basically all there is to it. So, also, yeah, you win Tatslotto, and you go, yeah, you beauty. Yeah, you bloody bastard beauty. You beauty. I'm gonna fucking love this all night. You beauty. I'm gonna spend all my money in 4 weeks. And then I'll go back to work. You beauty. Anyway, I hope this helps you out with the word you beauty. You beauty, mate. Yeah, fuck. Get that pie up ya. You beauty.